Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So we got two ways how we can do that, and the first one, you should go into the settings application and then click here on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, and here you will see all the available networks, and you can connect to one from this network. For example, we'll go with the first one. Here you should enter the password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8, and just by click once on the eye icon here, you can see the password to have no some mistakes. Then just click here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. Also, by the same way, we can select the another network. Just click here, enter the password, and tap to connect by the same way. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. And also, we got the second way. You just should open the notification panel, and then just click once on the Wi-Fi icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon, and you will launch the Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way you will connect to one from these available networks. And then just to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.